What's up, guys? Today we are gonna build a, let's say, camper. Yay! Yeah, exciting. Yeah, alright, so we'll be building a camper and my dad will be doing the first frame.
That is going hell.
Yeah!
First, we're gonna pre-drill.
So he drilled a little bit from the holes in there, and then he's gonna drill more in there so he can screw it in easily, whatever. Okay. Okay, we're back. Just a little. Let's see, click. So, just like he did on that one, we're doing on that one. So, I don't think you heard this part because I accidentally paused it. Whoopsies. So, there was no existing holes here. I pre-drilled this one yesterday. This one today. So is this one. This one today. This one yesterday. Because I did it yesterday and it didn't really work that well. And it did not look good at all. So my dad volunteered to help. And also we bought a lot of plywood. Just saying. Okay. Like he did in the other one. You put that screw in the washer, and you don't have to put the washer in the other one. Oh, it fell. Here you go.
I have to go.
On the other side. Quick stop. Swap. Alright, so this is solid. Guys, don't mind the wiggling. That's just the metal flexing too. And then we're gonna put the other ones and then crossbeam, support. Wait, how are we gonna screw in through? Oh God, I think he has a backup plan. Do I have... Oh, he's probably gonna use a bracket and then just screw bracket here and then yeah. And then he can make the perfect dimensions because if we didn't put these first, it wouldn't be equal. I measured out. This is 50 inches. And then, well, it's not 2x4, guys. It's a 1.5 by 3.5. Well, that's how I measure. Here, I'll do it right now. I'll measure it. Milwaukee little thing. Hard just. Seconds. Oh yeah, but he's putting in the last one. All right, so that was a little.
No, Jakub, you have to
Look.
You have to measure from the bottom.
I know. But look, I'm showing that it's actually not a 2x4. See, guys, it's 3.5. The 4's right there. It's a 3.5.
Okay, let's go outside.
All right, let's go outside. Yeah. So we need to grab that. Waddle. Baby Jojo right there. So here we are. Outside. I already measured it. Well, 50. And from the middle. Wait, he needs to get my pencil. All right. So. 50 minus 3.5. 50 minus 3.5. You can do that math in the comments. I don't have time in my brain. Oh yeah. So we might grab that. Well, not yet, but alright. Straight edge. Default saw. And I have 0% ideas where these came from. And I'm kind of mad because now we have to take them all out. I'm gonna help. Oh. These are not coming out, Dad. Alright, so we're gonna cut the video right now and just wait. Double checking, saw once. Well, measuring twice, cutting once. Or is it the opposite what they say? Right, so 150 inch, or I don't know how much inch, I kind of forgot. So it's the shorter. That's it. That's it. Alright, so is it that one what's equal? Yeah, that one and this one. We might actually use it. Alright, back inside. What up, Joey? Oopsies. Alright, so. Now that's. Is it equal? Hey, those are not equal. You got the wrong ones. Alright, whoopsies. He brung the wrong one. Clearly. Alright, we'll be right back. Ah, you. Whoop. Okay, I brung the right one. It says no right there. Do you not know how to read? That's him meowing a lot because he wants pets or go outside. Yeah, you cutie pie. Yeah, okay. So, meanwhile, so put what? There. Hi. So, can you explain why you put those clamps there?
So I don't have to hold it in my hand.
Okay, why did I say that? Can you stop meowing over there, mister? Yeah. Alright. Oh, by the way, guys, I spray painted my dirt bike black. Pretty cool because it was white. He's pre-drilling it again. Is this his secret 1 billion IQ idea? Ooh. Dun, dun, dun. I'm guessing he's just gonna make it go diagonal. Oh. Yeah. Okay, other side. Yeah. Can I be teached? Because I have. And then we're going to need a measure to go there. Because right now it's not really level. Because then it's just going to be wobbly, wobbly, wobbly. And if we put the support beam in the middle, it go good. Yeah, I know. I think he needs help. Helping him. It's not working. It's not good. Screwdriver? What? Did he measure wrong? Done. Oh, never mind. He didn't. It was just too far. I almost killed my finger. We're gonna need bigger clamps. Meanwhile, 5 hours later. Whoa, that's a big clamps right there. Yeah. Speaking of music, yeah. All right. Let's see. It works. Sorta. Let's see what's wrong with Kitty, Mr. Jojo. Mr. Jojo, can you please say why you're meowing so much? He says, I don't know. Please help me now. I want pets. All right. Kind of just. Mr. Jojo, be Jojo. Jojo, be Jojo. Jojo, be Jojo. Jojo, hi, baby. Hi, you. Look at the face. Come look. Why are you like dragging yourself around it? Bat. Sophie. Yeah. All right. Meanwhile, oh my God. It's smoking. That's no good. It's not very good. Something is wrong. Oh. You just need holder, I'm guessing. This is very interesting to watch.
Okay, we have to do it a different way.
So, should I place the camera down and help you?
And a very good idea.
Okay. I have a feeling that's gonna fall. So
Okay.
we're gonna pause the
Turn
video.
off the camera.
Okay, so we finished the first ball. Okay, that was close. He just needed some help with me. Okay. Be back in a moment. We are putting on the other wall. Well, 2x4. Oh. Next step is to measure the cross beam thing majiggy. We should make 3 of them. So we put one here and then one in the middle. Right? Whoa!
Will be enough for just
What? What is that?
all the time.
Oh, it's probably wood glue, isn't it? Just on top should be enough, but I want to put crossbeam. My dad does not. More support is better, you know that. Alright. Continue in 1 minute. Second piece. Cause whoa. Oh. Screw.
To chodzisz do ognia. You can throw it in the fire.
Yeah. Good point. Yeah, so I couldn't get that screw out and it was like stuck in there. Alright. Here we come. Alright, let's go back inside. We have both pieces and we screw them together. Let's see if that 2x4 and this 2x4 fit. I hope. Well, I think so, right? Yeah, alright. To be continued. I like them screws, brother. I like my screws shiny, bruh. First he's putting in screws. Oh, by the way, guys, we're putting it like this. So from the inside, it'll look nicer and all of the scribbling will be covered by that pieces of wood. So yeah, that's the case right there. He is putting in a piece of wood called 3.5 by 1.5. Loud. Loud. That was very loud. Next, screws. Joe. Put. You okay? Okay. Put. Guys, by the way, if my dad wouldn't help, it would look nothing like this so far. It would look like a homeless.
You're doing good, okay?
Yeah, we're doing good.
I'm glad you are not sitting on the PlayStation, so.
I don't barely even play my PS3. Guys, by the way, I might be streaming live Minecraft videos, maybe soon. Whoa. Okay. See you in momentary moments. Maybe even in the future we'll make it go like one of those dropout campers. We'll put a tarp and then it'll close in. Wait, I don't think you. So, like a dropout. So that'll stay like that and then it'll go out in the tarp and then we'll make something here. So it's on the other side. Here it'll just be a blank wall. Stop! And then here it'll be, well, my dad has a plexiglass somewhere. And there'll be a window right here and a couple of, like, maybe 30 holes through 30 holes through that plywood. So if something happening, someone in there can communicate with me on the tractor. Okay. So see you in a couple of minutes. Seconds, yeah, right. We finally completed the frame. Let's see if it's strong.
Solid.
Very solid. When I shake one piece of 2x4, the whole thing shakes. No, like the whole trailer, including the wheels. Because there's no suspension. All right, see you in a couple of moments. All right, my dad is going to cut the plywood. And then he will be cameraman. And I will be screwing in plywood. Okay, to be continued. Chalk string, chalk line going on. Can I flick it? Oh, I'm gonna flick it. Yay. Smooth. Cutting the thing. Oh, he's angling it. Because 2x4s, you just do it straight. Oh yeah, I should watch. All right. Oh, woof. Again. Seriously, again. All right. I'm gonna go back here and I'm gonna stop the video right now. We shall cut pieces all wood. Dang, that was loud. All right. Now we put it on thing. No, my dad cuts it out first and then I put on the plywood. Yeah. All right, so now my dad will be the cameraman. I need to put on my gloves so I don't get a splinter. Okay. He wants to go outside, but he can't. Because we're making something. Alright, I'm putting in plywood, right? And he would be cameraman, what? That makes sense to me. Alright. Stuff on that, great. He will put up the plywood up for me, and I will screw it on. Because I don't really... Oh. Did you make it long enough to oh. You could put it down more. You can cover the metal overhang thing. Just make it level as possible. Hey? Oh well, it's fine. No, it doesn't have to be covering the metal. You can cover up the 2x4s. Yeah, like that. Cause just in case we want to take off. Yeah, that's fine. Perfect. All right, I'm gonna put on the thing. Whatever, I can paint it black. It'll look better. Clamping. Oh shoot, I was recording the whole time. Myself, cut that. Just a little message. All right. Okay, so I will hand the camera to my dad. Hi, I'm screwing the plywood here. My dad drew lines. Make sure it's there.
Jakub, we don't have to record everything, right? Or? Do you want me to
You
go?
can just record me doing the side.
Yeah, okay. And then I can go cut the another pieces.
Alright, last screw, and then my dad can go cut the. Alright. So, last time I was putting on all the sheets. We don't have the roof on yet, but I got this one done, that one. Guys, don't worry. See those holes? We're gonna put trim in it. Well, not trim, but this shim. And then we're gonna put a 2x4 right there. Going up. Up. And then a little. And then that'll be our door. And so there'll be a 2x4 from here, up there, here, down there, right there. And then there's gonna be a door in the middle. And then plywood. You'll see. In here, it's actually not that bad. And I'll probably make it. I'll try to find a light. Ooh, LED. I wanna find a LED, like LED string lights. We'll go all inside. Wait, so I'll just show you right here. So all along these 2x4s, and then a little solar panel right there. So it'll be solar powered, and it could probably react to, because I had that in Slovakia. I made a thing for my cousins because they asked me. Well, not asked me, but all right. So actually, just kidding. My dad's cutting more. My neighbor just came in for something. So I'm not gonna end the video. There's gonna be a whole nother series for this camper. Next year's probably window and hinge paint. All right. So do not stay tuned. Not ending the video yet. All right, so now my dad is going to cut the roof. dad is sliding on the roof and say bye-bye to... Alright, I think... So now we are going to put these 2x4s right here, I think. And make the door. Next episode, painting, windows, and maybe lights. Alright, so we are going to drill those holes in there and then screw them, and we'll be right back to you. So currently we are putting the 2x4s for the door. Just like in a real house you would. You have a bunch of 2x4s and then you would frame out two and then you would put a big header block right here, I think. At least what I think. So now he is putting in the screws for clamps. Should I give you both?
Yes.
Alright, bet. So, here you go. Guys, in the comments, say, should I paint this color of green on there? And should I paint the inside white? Leave a comment. What color should I paint it? I'm not painting it white or black because it'll get really hot in there over the summer. So I'll paint it. Should I paint it this? Guys, say in the comments. Wait, sorry about that. Say in the comments. Should I paint it or should I leave it or should I stain it? On the inside, it's going to be white no matter what. Guys, again, should I stain it? Should I color that color? Or yeah, so say in the comments. All right. You will see B2 continued. All right, guys. We put in these two. My dad's just supporting it, making a support, but just like I said. I said there would be a crossbeam right there, but never mind.
One more screw.
Huh? One more screw. Got. By the way, guys, these are deck screws. There you go. And by the way, guys, this is not a how-to video. This is what I'm making a video. Right? Yeah. Great stuff. Alright. Strong enough? Now we shall measure where plywood should be. Ooh, we need to measure the door first. Actually, no. So guys, this is gonna be the door. And then I could paint the door something else. And wherever I can take off the door and spray paint it something different color. So yeah. Chalk line. Going up. So this is gonna be the back, and then the door's gonna be here in the middle, right? Okay, he says yes. All right, chalk line. Okay, I should have done this. All right, and then okay. Now shall we cut? Guys, look at my mountain. It's actually very tall. Where's on? Bonk, bonk, bonk. I said he's making the door hole. the middle piece for the door. Just use the actual middle piece for the door.
Here we go.
I think I knew that. Don't break the door though. Oh no, it's coming for me. Alright. I got my ass. Can't see. Okay. So now we are done with episode 1. Well, we're gonna screw this in. My dad's gonna hold the phone. Yeah, good stuff. Oh, he put in the first screw. Now he's gonna put in the second screw. And then I'm gonna put in the door. Yay! Boom, boom.
Bustle.
Yay! I'll be right back. So right now, I just drilled a hole through. You might see it. So I can put this for my D-Vault light, since I don't have a light yet.
Right there.
So I need a drill.
Right here.
Oh no. So I need to put a thing here and then screw that in. Final results.
Go in there.
We put some blankets, some pillows. Well, no blankets. We just put some pillows in there. And then green, whites, lights. By the way, guys, if you're wondering where the light is hooked up to, there's like these little screw holes. I put a screw through the ceiling. So yeah, this is the end of episode 1. Episode 2 tomorrow, probably, right?
Yes.
So tomorrow, hope it doesn't snow, so we can paint it and make the door. If she got out, we can make the door by now. All right, so this is the end episode. Actually, might be another tiny thing, putting the door in when she's gone. And so yeah, ...